From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of being jolted awake by a blaring alarm every morning, feeling like you've been hit by a train? Well, I've got some good news for you. The Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock is here to change your mornings forever. This smart alarm clock is a total game changer, using a gentle sunrise wake-up feature that simulates a natural dawn, gradually brightening over a customizable period of up to 60 minutes, so you can wake up feeling refreshed and relaxed. The warm light is so gentle, it's like having a sunny morning in your bedroom every day, without the need for actual sunshine. This popular alarm clock has been well reviewed by many customers who swear by its ability to improve their sleep quality and morning routine. One of the standout features is the smart dual alarm system, which allows you to set two independent alarms, perfect for those of us who like to sleep in on weekends. The display brightness is also adjustable, with settings ranging from off to 100%, so you can choose the perfect level of brightness for your bedroom, whether you like it soft and subtle or bright and bold. The Wake Up Light Sunrise Alarm Clock is also built to last, with a premium ABS construction that's durable and BPA-free, and its minimalist design makes it blend seamlessly into any bedroom. The soft light it emits not only helps regulate your circadian rhythm but also creates a cozy atmosphere, making it ideal for kids' rooms as well. I've found that using this alarm clock has really improved my mornings. I wake up feeling more energized and ready to take on the day, and I think you'll experience the same benefits too. So why not give it a try, and start waking up to a brighter, more gentle morning, every day. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.